Hi, it's Chris Howell with Smoky Mountain Inspection Services, and I'm a licensed UAV drone pilot.
Thank you and enjoy your flight.
No one wants to receive an inspection report that says the entire roof could not be reviewed or inspected. At Smoky Mountain Inspection Services, we make every effort to ensure that this does not happen. Since our home inspection reports are electronic, we can embed digital photos and even videos within your report so you can see exactly what I saw. The photos would include the roof covering, gutters, ventilation, any roof protrusions as far as plumbing vents and their flashings, service entrance conductors, chimneys, chimney caps, any visible flue liners, and skylights. Why assume that it's probably okay? Let's get up there and see for ourselves.
Flight 229, you're clear for takeoff.
At Smoky Mountain Inspection Services, the sky's the limit. Give us a call today, 606-434-3347, or visit our website for more information.